It's Thursday. It's Thursday. I think I might swap this jumper for something else because that looks weird. But I'm just on my way out to meet my mum, my sister and her fiance. They are getting married next year. And to get married in a church, if you're not a member, you have to attend for a certain amount of time beforehand. So they're going today to the 12 o'clock service, and I thought I'd join them. I feel like I haven't seen my family in ages. So yeah, I'm gonna go to a service. I think they're also having a meeting with the priest, and then we're gonna go for lunch. I've also then got a work meeting at 4 PM with a PR company, and I also need to pick up something I ordered from my Selfridge as well. I'm quite hungover as well today because my old housemates came around last night. I cooked them dinner and we got through 3 bottles of wine. We never even did that when we lived together, so we just had loads to catch up on. Yeah, it was lovely, but I feel so dizzy now. Oh. We have come to the Alchemist for some lunch. I'm not doing very well. I need some sugar. I'm so shaky. You're constantly shaky. Oh my god, you can't even see it anymore. With my fave girls. I'm going to have a coffee with a PR girl.
Oh, okay. Very nice.
Yes. And then I need to pick up some stuff from Miss Selfridge.
Oh, okay. What stuff?
I ordered some stuff for the holiday I just went on and it didn't arrive in time.
Oh. Well, do you need to pick it up? Can you not just give it straight back again?
Probably. I'm home now. I've been feeling really nauseous today, but I think it's my hangover. But we're cooking dinner. We liked the kind of like cheese sloppy joe toasty that I made so much that we decided to do it as a pasta. So I followed the exact same recipe as I did for the cheese toasty. If you don't know what I'm talking about, we did a cheese toasty competition and we vlogged it. So if you want to see that, I'll leave a link down below. But it tastes slightly different this time. I think it's got a little bit more chili and I added too much, but it's still good. It's got a nice kick. I've also added some mozzarella, so this literally looks like, I mean, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
You ready?
Yeah, ready. Pasta, and then G's also made a salad dressing which tastes amazing as well. It is Saturday and this morning when I woke up, G was like, if you could have anything for lunch today, what would you have? And I was like, best question ever. We decided to come to Broadway Market. I've never actually been, but I was fancying street food. And this is my first, I've never been to Broadway Market before, so it's lovely. We're just sitting next to the canal. G's getting us a coffee, and he's just brought over these. I don't know what they are. They look interesting. Biscuits. So up for this. The rest of the day is going to be pretty chilled. I just took some returns to the post office and I'm going to be seeing my parents later. Nice Saturday. Great for dog watching as well, this spot. Look how nice this is. Oh, it smells so good in there. What is this, a dam?
Lock.
A lock. They're opening the lock so the boat can go through and it's filling up with water. Looks suspiciously like weed, that stuff. I think they've got some little kids to help open the lock, which is sweet. That smells of oil, whoa! We're at Broadway Market. Should we get a canal boat?
Yes.
Yes, look how cute it is inside. Love her. Oh my god, I've just spotted the cheese toasties. Oh. Oh my god, Scotch egg. G's got lobster brioche, I'm so jealous. It's quite a bit later now, but when we were out I went blind in my eye. Had a migraine aura, so I had to go home and got like literally just lie in a dark room for like 3 hours. But now I'm out with my parents. Yeah, I don't feel very well. I feel groggy. I'm out with my whole fam.
The reason why?
Wait, we're at Tobacco Dock and we're gonna be eating Italian. I ordered garlic bread to go with my pasta and look at this. It's massive. It's actually bigger than my hand. Look. I've got spicy chicken. Me and my dad have got spicy chicken pasta. Look at this lovely view whilst we're eating. Feels like we're on holiday. Great sunset.
I like games where you actually use your own effort.
We can play bullshit.
What's worst game? I love it.
Hello, it is Monday morning. I've got some spots on my chin that are so painful. It hurts to actually talk. It's because I've eaten too much dairy recently. It's not been good. I really wanted to vlog yesterday. Ignore that, that's my air freshener. I really wanted to vlog yesterday, but I was just in a really bit of a weird mood. I'm also very hormonal. I always film without putting lipstick on. Don't know what's wrong with me. Okay, I've just put this on, Peony, Bare Minerals, Bare Pro. Yeah, I've just been really hormonal. I came on my period, I had a migraine on Saturday, and I've just been not feeling with it, just really like annoying and needy and just not myself. But I'm vlogging all day today. I got up super early this morning because we're going away on a little family trip to Cornwall next week, and so I've got like 2 weeks worth of work to do in one. I'm gonna have to take this lipstick off. I don't like it. What should I go for instead? Go for this one. This is one that I made from Estee Lauder. Haven't done that very well. That'll do though. Yeah, so I've got loads of work to do this week. It's got to be a bit mega. I also want to start filming Halloween content this week, so I think I'm going to film my first one tomorrow, which will be fun. But today I've got a day of events. I have an Amazon Christmas event, which I'm not entirely sure I'm gonna go to. Then I have an Ann Summers event. I think it's like a panel with a couple of sexperts on it and a Love Island star from last year, Megan. And then I have a screening of a new horror film this evening, which I'm taking G to. It's called Ready or Not. It's like a wedding horror. Looks a bit like a dark comedy. I watched the trailer yesterday. So yeah, day of events. I'm wearing this dress from Next, which I absolutely love. I forgot, for some reason I forgot about it in my wardrobe, but it's like perfect for this time of year because it's long sleeves, so I'm going to be warm if it is cold-ish out, but it's also like nice and airy. So yeah, it will last me through the day of events. Last night I tried to make myself overnight oats bircher muesli. I don't know if I did it right. I've only done this once before, but it looks like this. It looks disgusting. So I just soaked some oats and raisins in apple and pear juice, and I'm gonna apparently add a splash of milk to loosen it up, and then I can grate some apple into it and add some nuts, and apparently it will be just like the prep one, which is what I'm hoping. Oh no, that's not good. I love the prep bircher muesli so much, so if this works, I'm going to be absolutely chuffed. This will just turn into mush. Here we go. It looks like a bowl of mush, but I've sprinkled on dried cranberries and walnuts and almonds. There are some raisins in there too. I hope this is nice.
To be this really confident ex-stripper, the man eater, and really, I'm like the most geeky, awkward person of that whole show probably. So it was good for them to see me in a different light.
It's really unhelpful to fake an orgasm. Why do you think women fake it?
Once you faked it once and you pretend that you're coming 5 minutes, every time, so we're like, why are you coming?
Yeah, you set a rod for your own back.
Yeah.
You're right, because then he's like, but you know, the last 12 times you came really quickly, it's like, wow.
About that.
To tell you.
I had a great time at the Ann Summers event. Oh, I learned a really interesting fact. I can tell you as well. I wrote it down. During sex, 95% of men orgasm versus 65% of women. So they've worked out that women are missing out on 1,735 orgasms in their lifetime, which doesn't seem fair, does it? So yeah, it was really interesting. Anthems always have loads of great facts like that, so they're just encouraging women again to like don't fake orgasms, like learn what feels good and share that with men, otherwise you're going to miss out ultimately, and that's not fair. I am now at Leicester Square. I went ready for the film screening, just in the queue for tickets now. G is freaking out because there are some first dates people here and we're obsessed. Just there. Got a great view of my spot here. Look at this, it's like a wedding reception. There's the bride. That's so good. Such good wedding table inspiration with the blood splats. This is very me, very SSDGM. Oh. We are home. We didn't have any dinner, so we're just having some cereal in bed. We must have been through about 5 boxes of Special K since we moved in here. Maybe more, but we like to have it with banana in it. Like so, and we're gonna watch some First Date. So guys, excuse my appearance. I look like I've only just got out of bed, but it's like 1 o'clock. Just been working at my desk, getting some sponsored content ready, which has been good. I'm about to do something I've been looking forward to all year, and that is film a Halloween tutorial. Oh my god, Halloween is like one of my favourite times of the year for content, because if you've been with me for a while, then you'll know that I like to go all out with Halloween tutorials. I'm so proud of some of the ones I've done in the past. I'm actually going to re-edit some of the old ones I've done for IGTV because they're not up there. But yeah, I've been like saving inspiration pictures on Instagram for pretty much the last year of things I want to kind of try and add my own twist on this year. And today I've got some time, so I'm going to do the first one. Dug out all my Halloween makeup kits. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Got some glitter. Got a whole box of like really quirky colours. This is like my pride and joy. Oh my god, it's so full. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to open it. So much makeup. Oh god. Got all my palettes. I've also got this, which I think is jam-packed with glitter. Let's have a look. Yes. Oh my god, glitter, which is leaking. Oh my god, I've just got so much glitter in my hummus. No! Oh, I don't know what one's leaking, but look, it's gone in my hummus. I've got glittery hummus. This is a fail. Okay, I'm gonna need to hoover this up. I think it's coming from in here. Yes, lots of glitter. I've also recently purchased these offline, and I am going to be using a couple of these in today's look. I think maybe maybe I'll take them all. I'm going to film it against that wall over there. I've only got like 3 hours to do this in, so let's hope that I get it done in time before I leave for the circus this evening. First Halloween tutorial done. I am a bit worried this is going to stain. Oh. I have just got out the shower. One sec, let me pause this music. Just got out of the shower, washed off surprisingly well, although my eyes do still look a little bit red. I think the eye makeup I used has stained more than the face paint, like the blue face paint I used, which was a bit weird. I am having such a good day today. Like, I feel like I've been so productive, but also loving work. I love days like this. Like, it's just been the nicest mix of being creative and editing and doing brand work, and also like getting to do little things that I really love throughout the day as well, like listening to a podcast whilst I film a video, and like, yeah, just potting around the house listening to my Spotify Discover Weekly, all whilst being really productive. And I managed to have a little bit of a lay-in as well. I woke up at 9:15 today. So yeah, I'm in such a good mood, and also the fact that I'm going to circus in a bit and getting a workout in as well today. And then bake-off's on a Tuesday, and G and I have got into a nice little routine where he cooks me dinner on a Tuesday for the time I get back from circus, and then we watch Bake-Off on +1, and it's just, yeah, just loving today. I've just put a bagel in the toaster because all I've had to eat today is that hummus, glittery hummus, and some celery and crisps. and I need something a little bit more substantial. One thing I haven't got into the habit of since I've been in this flat is like buying really nice stuff for lunch. I used to cook my own lunches all the time, and for some reason I just haven't got into that here yet. But once we're back from Cornwall next week, then I will get into the habit. I look absolutely dead. Look at me. Look at this spot. I'm home and G has a glow-in-the-dark bottle of wine. Oh yeah, look at that. Reckless love. We need to keep that bottle, that's quite cool, don't we? Jeff bought that bottle just because of the branding. Better be nice. G's cooking me salmon, my fave salmon. I got us a little bit of a dessert because today on Bake Off it is dairy week. So I got us some dairy yogurt and some fruit, some strawberries, some mango, some melon. Be nice. Salmon, red wine, salad. This is a dream. Going to bed now. Hope you've enjoyed this weekly vlog, and I'll see you next week. Bye.